Hey everybody, welcome back to another exciting video where I teach you the best ways to make money online. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can earn extra cash just by posting Instagram stories. And here's the thing, you don't actually need any followers to use this method. In fact, you don't even need an Instagram account to do this. I'm going to show you how to leverage other people's products, followers, and fans while you collect cash for making a sale. But before we get into that, if you're new here, welcome to your favorite, or at least what I hope will become your favorite channel to learn about how to make money online. I post videos here regularly and always try to bring you the most up-to-date tactics and strategies to make money online that actually work. There are so many channels and videos running around YouTube right now with half-stitched ideas and methods no one actually has ever used. My goal is to bring you both an element of honesty and innovation to your feed, so make sure and hit the like and subscribe button as well as turn on the notification bell. I always read my earliest comments first and use those to help me decide what we're going to talk about next. Okay, let's dive into today's video on how to make money online posting Instagram stories without having any followers or even an Instagram account. Here we go. Step one, we're going to become an affiliate of someone else's product. Now, if you're new here and you've never heard of affiliate marketing, this is basically something different than creating your own product or wholesaling from China or offering a service like an agency or a consultant. With affiliate marketing, you can promote someone else's products and collect a commission on the sale. One way to find affiliate marketing opportunities is to think of your favorite product and then type into Google the product's name plus the word affiliate, and you'll see how to apply to become a partner with them. For example, if you search Shopify affiliate program, you'll find a link to Shopify's webpage all about their affiliate program. There would be a good company to start with and to partner with if you were teaching others how to create a successful online store. Many affiliate marketers also utilize Amazon's affiliate program. It's easy to sign up for and has loads of different products to choose from. The only downside is that Amazon offers very low commission rates, making it hard to build a business around just Amazon affiliate sales. If you're just getting started, an easy way to find a good affiliate product is to jump on what is called an affiliate network like ClickBank, which will list out hundreds of digital courses, software, and other physical products that you can easily become an affiliate for just by joining ClickBank. Now, we're going to use the company called Shoutout to find Instagram influencers for products that you're interested in promoting. And these are going to be large Instagram accounts in the niche of your product. So if your product is helping people build muscle to bulk up, you're not going to look for entrepreneur pages or pages for people trying to lose weight. Rather, you're going to want to find Instagram pages that are directed to your niche. Now, Shoutcart does make it easy because you're able to promote directly onto those influencers and be able to promote your affiliate link when doing your promotion. And basically, hopefully you'll see that with the power of using this, you don't need your own following, you don't need your own website, you don't even need your own product. You're like the manager. You connect people to a product they're going to love, and you'll get a commission from the sale. Now, here's what I love about this method. When you first get started doing online marketing, one of the hottest ways to promote your products using influencers was to use a method called solo ads. Now, solo ads are very similar to this method, but instead of leveraging someone's Instagram account, you leverage their email list. The influencer would send an email to their list using your affiliate link, just like the method above. Now, even though I still love using solo ads and 100% recommend them when you're just getting started for certain niches, because this method has been around so long, people are beginning to see the value and they're charging a lot more than they used to. But with Instagram or TikTok or any of the new apps coming out, the cost to get your message out there is significantly less than it would have been 15 years ago and 15 years from now, trust me. So take advantage of all these early apps as a way to generate attention at a reasonable price. Also, I would like to talk to you about the basic strategy, but now I would like to teach you how to take this basic strategy to the next level. So This is the part of the presentation where we get a little more advanced, but I believe this is truly necessary if you want to build a long-term business and a full-time income with affiliate marketing. So first, instead of directing people straight to a product, you take them to a landing page where you can build an email list. In this method I showed you at the very beginning of the video, if someone clicks on the product and clicks away, they are gone forever. But if you encourage them to join your email list instead, you'll have more opportunities to reach them day after day. Second, instead of finding products where you only earn on the initial sale, find products that offer lifetime recurring commissions like software or subscription services, so you can generate passive income without having to constantly find new products or new customers. Lastly, find the products that work together. So when you do get that initial customer, you'll be able to increase your average order value by having them purchase more products. If you'd like to learn more about how to implement these level up strategies, then click on the link below. In the description, you'll be taken to a free training where I'll show you how to grow your email list, find the products that offer lifetime commissions, and work with one another so you can stack your commissions each and every month. This program is called PWA, or Partner with Anthony. The whole goal of this course is to show how to actually build successful online businesses. And it's all structured around what we've discussed today, which is find a good product, preferably with a subscription service that has other complementary products around it, and build a sales funnel. So, like I said, check out the link in the description. You can click it to learn more. Now, Partner with Anthony will not only show you how to build a business, but literally 99% of the process is done for you. No stone left unturned. When I joined PWA, I got free sales funnels. No, you don't need to be super technologically skilled. I also got emails and a master copy class on copywriting, plus products to promote. The valuable training was just the icing on the cake that has enabled me to become truly successful. Plus, once you've joined the PWA program, you can actually promote it, potentially using the Instagram stories method we've talked about today. Again, check out the link in the description. There's a free training where you can review it to make sure it's something for you. But my guess is that if you stayed this long, this program would be massively beneficial to you. With that, thank you for stopping by for today's training, and I'll see you next time.